Greetings from Heartcare Foundation of India and eMedi News. All religion white paper on health and happiness. For the first time, religious leaders from all religions will meet under one banner on 5th of July, 5 p.m. at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Delhi, to meet and discuss and come out with a white paper on health and happiness. The basic idea is that every religion has its own way. Can we have a consensus? The meeting, organized by Heartcare Foundation of India in association with Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, will have a keynote address by the Vedic scholar Dr. Karan Singh, who is a member of parliament and the chairman of ICCR. The various religious leaders who will be speaking and interacting will be Mr. Sunil Kumar on Hinduism, Maulana Wahiduddin, who is the president of Islamic Center on Islam and Health, Father Matthew Abraham on Christianity, Dr. A.K. Merchant on Baha'i Faith, E.I. Malekar on Judaism, Dr. S. Kama on Parsi religion, Shri Paramjit Singh Sarna on Sikhism, Samani Rohit Pragya and Samani Mimamsa Pragya on Jainism, and Dr. Katsang on Buddhism. The session will have interactions, panel discussion on the subject with a basic idea: where do religions meet as far as health and happiness is concerned? Can we come out with a common formula? I personally believe, I will be moderating the session, I personally believe that there is one more religion, and that is called medical religion. And the dharma is called Dr. Dharma. And that religion is the one which can mix and come out with a gist from every religion and come out with findings that can be prescribed. So the whole idea is various prescription recipes available from various religions which can be converted into a common prescription as a recipe to be given to the patient to be remaining happy and healthy. Thank you.